Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are well and busy with your studies. So today we are going to have another class, and today the class on which topic we are going to have is making WH question. Okay, so this is also a very important topic in your syllabus, and this is the very easiest topic to get full marks in your exam. Okay, so if you are attentive in the class, then you will be able to make WH question easily. So let us look at some WH questions. We have several times did this WH question in our class, so today also we are going to have, so it will not be that much hard for you. So let us look at, so when you will make WH question, you have to look at the underlined words. Okay, that means you have to make question on the underlined words. You have to first understand that what the underlined words refers to. Okay, what does it mean, okay, by this word. So if you can identify it, then making WH question will be very easier for you. So let us look at, S.M. Sultan is a famous painter of our country. So where is the underlined word? Here, no? S.M. Sultan. So this is very easy. So let us look at here, who, no? Because what? This S.M. Sultan is a person. Okay, that is why we have to put here who. Then according to the question making sentence structure, we found that WH word, then auxiliary verb, then subject, then the rest of the part, then question mark. Okay, obviously you have to put question mark. So who is a famous painter of our country? Then obviously one question mark you have to put. If you do not put question mark, then this will be incorrect one. Okay, so another one, he was born in Norail. Norail. These underlined words, what does it refer? It refers to a place. Okay, it means a place. So as this is a place, so you have to put where. Okay, where. Then you have to put auxiliary verb, was. Where was, then subject he, then here born. Okay, then question mark. You cannot put this word again when you are making question. Okay, you cannot put this. Another one, he was born in 1923. This in 1923 refers to a year. Okay, so you have to put here when. When, and look at the sentence. What tense is this? This is past indefinite tense. Okay, so that is why we have to put here did. When did, then he born. Okay, then question mark. Clear? Okay, now look at another sentence. Sultan went to school for 5 years. Here you see for 5 years. Here is the underlined. Okay, so this is period of time. Okay, so in case of period of time, you have to use how long. Okay, so let us put here how long. Then this is went. No, this is also past indefinite tense. That is why we have to put here did. How long did Sultan. Then you have to put here present form of the main verb, go to school, question mark. Okay, another one, the last one is Sultan loved to draw. Okay, underline is here, so you have to ask on these underline words. Okay, so obviously this is loved, this is also past indefinite tense. So draw, no, so you have to put here what did, then Sultan, then you have to put here main verb, love to do. Okay, so I hope this making WH question is very easier for you, and the more you will practice, the more you will be expert to make any WH question in your exam. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have any question, then you can write in your comment box. Okay, and you can share with your friends also. Whatever we have discussed in the class, practice at home so that you can be more expert in making WH question easily. Okay, so this is all for today. Stay well. See you in the next class. Bye.